Hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to replace earpads or ear cushions on Marshall Major 2 and Major 3 headphones, and I also tell you where you can buy them. So I'm gonna start with the Marshall Major 3. I've been using these headphones for about 6 months, and as you can see they're in absolutely perfect condition. So to remove the earpad, simply hold the ear cup like this, then turn the earpad counterclockwise and pull it off, just like so. These earpads cost about $7 with free shipping. I'll put the links in the description. Okay, so this is original earpad which came with the headphones, and as you can see they're almost identical. Same size, same artificial leather, which feels nice and soft. So what I'll do now is I'll put the earpad onto the ear cup like this, with the SIM at the bottom, and simply turn it clockwise until it clicks into place. And these headphones look like just out of the box. With the Major 2 it's not that easy. I've been using these headphones for about 4 years now, and a year ago they started peeling off at the earpads and the headband. As you can see, they're literally falling apart. Anyway, they lasted me almost 4 years, which is not bad. I'm very careful with all my gear, and I always carry my headphones in this hard-carrying case, which cost about $5, the link in the description. So let's make these headphones look great again. First I'm gonna remove these earpads. Basically the same process, twist the earpad counterclockwise and pull it off. Okay, so these earpads cost about $5 and they're available in different colors. It looks and feels almost like the original pad. The only difference I can see is the mesh size. The problem is that all replacement pads come without these plastic mounting rings, so we need to carefully swap them. Simply pull it off, like so, and if you want you can also swap the mesh. And that's what I'm going to do next. The original mesh provides better protection for speakers against dust and some particles that may pass through the mesh. Okay, now we need to put this plastic mounting frame into the ear cushion. First insert one side of the frame, like so. Then gently pull this material over the edge of the frame, and work your way all around the frame. So as you can see, they look exactly like the original ones. Finally put the earpad onto the ear cup, then just give it a twist and it locks into place. And you're good to go. So $5 and 5 minutes of your time and your headphones look brand new again. Thank you for watching.